Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are good. We're going to start with a new chapter, that is your chapter number 2, hardware and software. All of you take out your books. Yes. So, students, what do you mean by hardware and software? So, computer is basically divided into two parts, that is hardware, the parts you can touch, and the software, the parts you cannot touch. So, we're going to learn all these in this chapter today. Let's begin with hardware, software, working of a computer, IPO cycle. Let's just start the chapter.
Do you know a computer is divided into two parts? Which are they? They are hardware and software. A computer is a multipurpose electronic device that can receive, process and store data. It is used as a tool in every part of the society. Computer is one of the greatest inventions of the century. A computer has many parts which help it to work efficiently. Broadly, these parts are divided into two categories, hardware and software. Hardware. The physical components of a computer that we can touch and see are known as hardware devices. The computer hardware is of four types: input devices, processing devices, output devices, storage devices. Input devices. The devices that are used to input data and instructions into the computer system are called input devices. Let us learn about the commonly used input devices: keyboard, mouse, microphone, joystick, scanner. Output devices. The devices that display the result of the processed information are called output devices. Monitor, printer, speakers and headphones. Software. A software is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware how to perform a specific task. Software consists of well-organized instructions and codes written by programmers in various computer languages. There are mainly two types of software. These are system software, application software. System software. System software controls the overall functioning of the computer. It prepares the computer for the user to work and run application software. The operating system such as Microsoft Windows is a system software. Application software. Application software is a software which is designed to perform one or more specific tasks on a computer. Microsoft Paint is an application software. Using this software, we can draw and paint pictures on the computer. Windows Media Player is an application software by which we can play movies or songs. Microsoft Word is an application software which is used for typing, editing and formatting documents like letters, applications, articles and essays. Microsoft PowerPoint is also an application software and is used for creating presentations on various topics. Working of a computer. Computers do not work on their own. Being a multitasker, computers need to be instructed for the work required to be done. They are dependent upon the data and instructions that are provided to them. The computer follows three basic steps to work. They are input. The data which is entered into the computer system by the user is called the input. This input data can be in the form of text, symbol, image, audio or video. The input data basically defines what work the computer needs to do. Processing. After the user has input the data, the computer accepts it and starts processing it. The processing is done by the processing device of the computer system, central processing unit. It is the most important part of the computer system. It performs all types of data processing and also controls the working of entire computer system. It has three main parts. They are arithmetic and logical unit. This unit performs all the mathematical logical operations. Control unit. It helps to coordinate the working of various parts of computer. Memory unit. This unit stores the data and instructions supposed to be processed. Output. The resulting outcome of the data after it has been processed by the CPU is called the output. IPO cycle. We know that some input is needed by the computer to accomplish a task. A process is carried out according to the instructions provided to obtain the output. This complete cycle thus involves three stages: input stage, things to work upon, process stage, and output stage. This cycle is also known as input process output cycle or IPO cycle.